Alright, hey guys, so today we're going to be building a wood rack to hold all of our firewood and our smoking wood. So we're going to show you how to do that very simply and effectively. All you're going to need is about 8 2x4s. You need 8 footers. You can go to 10 footers if you want more capacity, but we're going to show you a very simple and easy way to build a wood rack. So we're going to be using a couple of 2x4s for our runners, and we're going to be spacing them 12 inches apart. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut 4 12-inch sections of 2x4 because our rack is going to be 12 inches on the outside width. So our brace, say if this is our bottom and this is our vertical piece, and this is 1 foot in from here to the inside of the brace, and our vertical section at 1 foot up, we want to have a cross brace in here. So we need to figure out the length of that. So if this is 12 and this is 12, then a squared plus b squared will equal c squared. So the hypotenuse will be 16.97 inches outside to outside. So now you see on this long side we have marked 17 inches. Now we'll make a 45-degree cut coming that way, and this will be our cross brace. This is what your brace will look like. We will need 4 cross braces.
This is how we're going to do it.
Now for our vertical boards, it's going to cut 2 8-foot 2x4s in half, and that will give us 4 feet of height. So I'm cutting our side pieces with a single 8-foot 2x4, and I'm putting it on a 45-degree angle. So right in the middle of here is actually 48 inches. The long side is 49 3/4, and the short side is 46 3/8. But if you set your saw to a 45-degree angle, you just mark the center of the board at 48 inches and make sure your saw falls on that spot, and it will cut your board perfectly for you. You could also do this with just a flat top. This is more decorative. So if you mark your board at 48 inches, and make sure that it's the same measurement from each end of the board, because not all dimensional lumber is correct. Found that out the hard way. And then this board is 3.5 inches thick, so at 1 3/4 inches, you will make another mark. And so you will make a crosshair like that. Now, set your blade to 45 degrees, and make sure that your blade sets right in the middle of that crosshair. Now you have 2 boards that are the same height with a 45-degree angle. Joe's already set us some screws in here. Now we just got to hold this board flush with our 45-degree support. Very nice. All right, we'll take our last 2. Nice and solid. Looks like a nice sturdy piece, Joe. Let's carry it to the destination, shall we?
Onward.
Durability testing about to commence. Want me to hold it? Not sure you.